Next, we'll demonstrate the French knot. You can see numbers 1 to 6 marked here again. These represent number of strands needed for pattern. Here shows 1, so it needs 1 strand of floss. Here shows 4, meaning 4 strands needed. Here needs 6 strands. Let's demonstrate with 2 strands first. See how it looks. Using 2 strands of color number 6. See these small circles drawn above. Let's start with right circle. Come up at circle center. Hold thread in one hand, needle in other. Wrap thread around needle twice. Point needle down at center. Don't pull thread too quickly. Hold bottom thread with finger. Prevents knot from slipping. So pull slowly. Creates dimensional knot. Let me show again. Come up at circle center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point down at center. Pull thread. Forms dimensional knot. One more time. Come up. After 2 wraps, point down at center. Don't pull bottom thread too tight. If too tight, needle won't go through. Maintain balance and tension. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. Keep hands steady while wrapping. Control wrapping tension for beautiful French knots. If wrapped wrong, must cut entire knot out, so practice more. Let's look at the result. Now for this one below. Using 5 strands. Let me demonstrate. Using 5 strands of color number 12. Come up at circle center again. Wrap around needle twice. Point down at center. With more strands. Taking down might be harder. Don't pull thread too tight. Need more force when taking down. To pull it through. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. Let's look at overall effect. See how 6-strand French knots are much larger than others.